You look at your desktop and it's okay. It can pass for everyday desktop. But New Year's is coming, so you think you could change something, make it more festive. First thing you do, you go to the internet, you find some festive wallpapers. I will choose this one. You save the file in your pictures folder or wherever you save your wallpapers. And then the first thing you do is to change it. You choose the wallpaper and click apply. Great. Then it's time to change the bar because it doesn't fit with this wallpaper. So of course you go to edit your config files. You open the i3 config file, i3 status. And i3 status are just these things here. So in the config file of i3, let's switch to nicer mode. Go and find the bar definition. So the first thing, you need to find bar, and this is the end. When you find this bar part, this is the part you need to insert to change the colors of the bar. I already have this part from previous year, so I can just remove the comments and save. So what does which color stands for? The background is the color of the bar. Status line is this white font on the status bar. Separator, that are these lines that stand in between. And here you define the colors. Now, how do you pick your colors? Well, you can run K color chooser, and then you go to pick screen color and just choose which one you want. And then you just copy this HTML code to your config file. This is this one, this number. Now I already picked up my colors, but let me show you one more thing. These are workspaces. They have different coloring than the rest of the bar. Basically, if this is your bar, workspaces have something like this. They have border, they have background, and they have the color of the font. Workspace can be focused, can be inactive, and can be urgent. Urgent is if you open up window and you don't focus it right away, it will blink with the color that you defined. For instance, if I run Dolphin, you will see that something has happened on this workspace, and it's telling me to look at it. So for each the state of the workspace, you can have different color. For instance, for focused workspace, that's the one that is active, that is this one. You define the border color, the background color. This is here is this blue, but here I put it green, and the font color, and this is this. The same goes for inactive workspace and urgent workspace. So this is defined here. And then there is this situation when your font can change the color depending of the state that is in. For instance, network connection can be up or down. If it's up, it will be green, and if it's down, it will be red. Wi-Fi, for example, can have another state. If the signal is not that good, it can be sort of degraded. And that part you configure in a3 status conf. I also have a Christmas edition. So this is the definition for those, let's say, blocks that can change state. And the state can be good, degraded, and bad. You can change here you can change the color in whichever you want, whatever means to you. I just decided to change them to these colors. So you put the definition of these colors into general, colors true, interval 5, and then you choose the colors you want. And once you have entered all these colors and made them as you want, you just restart the configuration of the i3 and you get the colors that you enter. Now I see that this green is not exactly what I wanted. You can play around with the colors what matches for you, but this is what I chose and it's good enough.